Hello, hello. I am just hopping on here because I got my Young Living order today. Great day because it's super snowy here. And it came super fast because I've been doing YL Go and I love how fast their shipping is. And I thought I would just unbox it on here because I know a lot of you are always asking me about different products and what I really use and how I use it. So I like to do my unboxings because it just gives you an idea of what I use every month and why I love them and things like that. And I thought this month I would start off by sharing my freebies right away because I usually save all the freebies for the end. And I just thought, why not show you guys all the freebies I got right away in the beginning and then show you the stuff that I actually ordered. So the first freebie I got, which I totally have never seen Young Living do this before, and it was so cool. They sent me a free Savvy lipstick and a little Valentine Day card that just said, we're sending you a lipstick just because. So that was so sweet. And it's a color that I probably would not have tried, but now I'm excited to. So that was sweet that they just sent me a lipstick. But every month they do have freebies and promotions that they give you if you spend so much in an order. And I was so blessed to have a few friends order on my order this month that I was able to get all the freebies, which is so exciting when that happens because sometimes it's just not in the budget to do it. But when friends jump on my order and I offer them free shipping and my wholesale price, so they get a great deal and I get some extra freebies. The first freebie that Young Living gave away this month is the Super Cal Plus. This is one of their amazing supplements. I love how Young Living does supplements. They really research and do tons of thinking and in the way that they pair things together so that our bodies can use them. They also put essential oils in their supplements, which they have discovered actually helps with the absorption rate, and it can increase it by up to 80% versus when there's not essential oils in a supplement, so that our bodies can really use it. But Super Cal Plus is obviously a calcium supplement. It has magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin D3, and I've heard people say that is really helpful with joints and things like that, but also just good. We need calcium. So that was free this month. Sweet. And I've used it before, so I was excited to get it free. And then I got all these oils free. So just going through the freebies first, and then I'll show you my actual order. So this month, Clove was free, Clove Vitality. Clove is amazing in the diffuser, smells so good with orange, cinnamon, any of those ones that make you think of like holiday pumpkin spice kind of things. It's also supposed to be great for the adrenals and supporting your adrenals. So I love to have it in tea. And it's great for mouth and oral care. Clove is very numbing and it was used in the dentist industry for a long time for tooth pain and keeping your mouth clean. So Clove Vitality is a great one for any kind of tooth related thing. I also make a throat spray, sore throat kind of spray, and it's great for that as well. Purification was a freebie this month, which is amazing. You guys, Purification is the best oil to diffuse for getting rid of stinky smells in your home. It smells so fresh and clean. I also love to use it on my dryer balls, my wool dryer balls, instead of laundry sheets. It's a great non-toxic option and still gives you that fresh, clean scent. You can mix it with baking soda for a natural carpet deodorizer. People put a drop on a cotton ball and put it in your stinky shoes or your stinky gym bag. Great for all the stinky stuff. Palo Santo is another amazing oil. Great for mood, keeping your mood supported. Also great for outdoor spray in the summer if you're going into the deep woods and you want to keep crawlies off of you. Marjoram, really great. I've heard for muscle, for simple things like aches and pains, maybe for some cramps. Also good in cooking, although this is not the Vitality. This is not one I've used a lot, but I'm excited to use it. And cypress was also free, a nice big 15 milliliter of cypress. Love to diffuse this oil. It's a great Lucy Libido oil. If you've never heard of Lucy Libido, she talks about essential oils in the bedroom for the marriage bed and just for libido. She also talks about it for hormones and things like that. And cypress is one that can help increase circulation. So that might be helpful, right? But check out Lucy Libido's book if you want to know more about that. And cypress is also just great in the diffuser and good for anything where you would need circulatory support. And then the big, amazing freebie this month was Ylang Ylang. And this smells so amazing, but this is another Lucy Libido oil. Also just great for calming and relaxation, good for skincare and different things like that. So really excited to get a bottle of this because it's been out of stock for quite a few months. And my guess is that it will be back in stock soon, but Young Living had it as a freebie this month. So really great for us that we're worried about it being out of stock for a while. So those were all the freebies. I mean, a free lipstick and all of these oils and supplements, amazing. But let's get on to what I actually ordered because all of those are amazing and I super love them. But this month I told you I had some friends order with me. I needed a thieves cleaner. If you guys have not used this before, it is amazing. It has the Power of Thieves oil, which has cinnamon and lemon, clove, couple others in there, and it's so great and it smells so great, and you only need a tiny capful, so you use one capful and you fill up a spray bottle about this size, and so this bottle lasts you a long time. I was getting low and I needed more, so I put this up on Facebook and said, hey, does anybody else want to try this? Because it has no poison control label, because it's that safe, but it's effective, you guys. If you want to know more about how amazing Thieves Cleaner is, you guys got to go to YouTube and search Thieves Cleaner versus raw chicken and watch that video. But so I got one, and I actually had 3 friends want a bottle. So 3 of my friends are giving it a whirl, and I'm super excited for them because I get rave reviews on Thieves Cleaner all the time. It's probably one of the #1 products that people love from Young Living. And I think they love how concentrated it is and that it's completely non-toxic. So really great. If you have kids, they can clean with you and you don't have to worry. Pets, you don't have to worry about. I mean, there's so many chemicals in our products these days, and this is just one great way to ditch them all out of there. And you can use it on everything. I use it on my floors and my sinks and my toilet and my mirrors and my windows. It's like a one-stop cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. So then, speaking of Thieves products, I'm addicted to the whole Thieves product line. I needed more of my dishwasher powder. I love this stuff. The little scooper is so small, and I actually only use half of it. And then I just recently discovered from another lady who shared a tip that if you do half a scoop of this and half a scoop of plain baking soda, that it works really well. So I've been doing that in my dishwasher, and it has been amazing. So love this natural dishwasher detergent. Love that I don't have to worry about when I'm eating off my plates that there is like chemical junk in there. I'm sorry, but Cascade and all those things, like there is just junk in there that I don't want to be eating and putting food in my mouth after it's been sitting on a plate. So I know that it rinses, but I don't think that stuff gets off there. Next is our Kids Scent shampoo. I love this. Lennon loves this. And just a nice gentle shampoo. Little tip for you moms, I put tea tree, rosemary, and peppermint, a couple drops in here, and that's really great for kind of safeguarding your kid if they go to school or they go to daycare or something like that, and you want to keep their hair nice and clean and not have any issues that we know sometimes goes around at schools and daycares. Add a little peppermint, add a little tea tree, because critters don't like that, and it keeps your kids' heads nice and amazing. And then I always love the Cobaiba vanilla conditioner. I have really thick hair. It can get wavy and frizzy, and this just, I'm amazed at how it works on my hair. And when I glide my pick through it, it like goes through it super easy. And if you have kind of curly hair, you know that doesn't usually happen. So love the Cobaiba conditioner. All right, just a few more things in my box. I'm going to grab them all so I don't have to bend down again. I got some more sleep essence. Actually, my husband has been requesting stuff. And this was one he was like, honey, we're almost out of sleep essence. You better get some. This is a natural sleep aid. And it has vetiver and valerian and lavender and melatonin in it. And it really helps him to get a good night's rest. And what he loves the most is that he doesn't feel tired. It doesn't have residual effects the next day where a lot of sleep aids do, where you take them and then the next day you feel groggy and run down and whatnot. So he loves Sleep Essence for that, and he uses that on a regular basis. So there's that. I got him a bar of Sacred Mountain soap. Sacred Mountain smells so good. It's got tree oils in it, so spruce and pine, and it also has ylang-ylang in it, but Young Living's bar soap is so awesome, and it just lasts a long time. And I actually make soap, so he likes my soap, but I just ran out, and I probably won't be making any more for a little bit. So I was like, sorry, hon, you're getting some Young Living soap, but it's actually better than mine, so good deal. And then I got him some of the Shutron beard oil, which he's never tried. I've been making him beard oil, and he just ran out. And I thought instead of making him some more, he loves the Shutron body wash, that maybe we tried the beard oil. So my honey got some good stuff in my order this time. I also had a friend need the rose ointment. This stuff is so amazing if you have dry skin, any chapped skin, any skin issues. It's really great for cuticles. It's a really thick balm, but I did see a video recently that showed somebody mixing it up, and if you like, it's kind of a hard balm. I'm trying to just think of what else is like that. Burt's Bees lip balm that comes in the tin. It's like the same consistency as that, but you can actually take like a little mixer and mix it up, and it gets really creamy and a nice consistency if you don't like the consistency that it is. But it is amazing for so many things, especially dry skin issues. So this is something that a lot of people have as a must-have for winter, and it has rose oil in it, which is so precious and amazing for skin. So a friend ordered that, so that was another friend order. I got Cortistop. I know my lighting is bad, but you guys really don't need to see it. I can just tell you, Cortistop is one of my favorite Young Living supplements, and I had run out. Sunny, yeah, you're using your rose ointment. I know, isn't it good? I need to stir mine because I have it, and I don't use it that often because I don't get really dry skin, but I use it on my cuticles sometimes, and it's so amazing. And I need to stir it up because that video that we shared was amazing. Anyway, sidetracked. Cortistop. I love this supplement. It is to help bring balance to your cortisol levels, and those are part of our stress hormones. And if they get out of whack, a lot of times you can have that sort of like anxious feeling or mind racing, or just feeling like you can't calm down, even though no matter how hard you try. And Cortistop is amazing. It just brings balance to your cortisol levels, which is really important in life. So I have learned that this is something that I like to have on hand. They actually recommend that you take it for, I think, let me look here, that you take it for 8 weeks and then you don't take it for a while. And I actually now, and I've done that before, I've used it consistently in that way, and it's been very beneficial. But I actually just like to have it on hand now, and I take it if I know that I'm going into a day that might be a little bit more than I usually would do, or I need a little more, where my cortisol levels might be shooting out of balance. I use it more like preventatively now, and it's amazing. So I like to have that on hand. And my last thing, yay, is I got more of the Orange Blossom face wash, and I love this stuff. I didn't grab my little foamer bottle, but what I do, and what so many people who use Young Living products, so many of them are so concentrated that we have found tricks to like make them last for a really long time and be super affordable. But I put this in a little foaming soap container, and I just put the tiniest little bit. It's like 1/4 of an inch on the bottom, and then you fill the rest of the way with water, and you get like, I don't even know, it's like 12 or more of these of those foaming pump bottles out of this bottle. And so the last time I ordered this, I want to say was over a year and a couple months ago. That's how long it lasted me. And it runs about $40. So when you think about skincare and getting a year and almost a year and 3 months or a year and 2 months out of one bottle of face wash, I think that's pretty darn affordable. It's pretty amazing. Plus, it's great for all skin types. And I know I'm always raving about Young Living skincare, but that's because if you knew me before, you would know I've suffered with skin issues my whole life. And I've tried so many different things. I've done dermatologist things, even prescription Accutane. Like, that's pretty severe stuff. You know you have bad skin when they put you on Accutane. And then every over-the-counter thing. And I've tried different things from different companies and never had like amazing results until I started using oils and natural products that had no toxic chemicals in it. And all of a sudden my skin was like changed. So I'm always pumping or sharing Young Living skincare and oils for skincare as well, because it's so amazing. And half the battle is just getting the toxic junk out of your makeup, out of your skincare, out of what you put on your body every day, because your skin's not going to respond really well to that. And people are always trying to cover up, and skin doesn't like that. So anyway, that's a little rant of mine, only from personal experience, that I love to share about the skincare. So that was my order. It was a pretty big one, but I was blessed enough to have some friends order on my account, and I actually right away I got some free points for placing this order, because with Young Living's monthly auto ship, you earn back 10 to 25% on your orders. And so right away I turned around and I ordered my laundry soap, which is coming, my shampoo, which is coming, and then more Inner Defense, which is an amazing supplement to just fight off and keep you above the wellness line, and then more Super C, which is another great one for boosting the immune system. So those are all coming in the mail free from my points from this order. So really excited that I'll be getting those things as well, probably in the next couple days. So hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. If you have any questions about any of these products, I've been using Young Living for, gosh, it'll be 5 years in July, and I know a lot. I don't know everything, but I love them, and I can totally help and try and make recommendations for you. So always feel free to hit me up. I'm your oily girl. So all right, guys, bye.